example is there. Just tell me the output of this. How you got this output? Okay, a equal 4 is there. Int a equals to 4 into b equal to a left shift 3. Just now I told you 4 left shift 3 means what? Binary number 4, binary number 4, binary number 4.
Mm,
You shift left how many bits? 3 bits. 3 bits you have to shift. At that time, what is the output will come? You should take one notebook and there you do it and just execute this code in your where in your mobile C or you take decoder. Whatever the output you got there, same output will come here also. Okay, so these are the bitwise operators. Next, scope and lifetime of variable. What is scope and lifetime of variable? Okay, you can see here one example. You can see what is a scope. Defines scope is nothing but between open braces and closing braces, and as each time you start a new block, you are creating a new scope. Suppose if open braces closing braces, that is one scope. Scope is nothing but that if will execute in that only. After that, it will not execute. A scope determines what objects are visible to other parts of your program. It also determines the lifetime of those objects. Many other computer languages defines two general categories of scopes. What is that? Local scope and global scope. We'll see that with the help of an example here. Everyone should understand this. Okay. See students, here first variable. Here this is a main function open, main function close here. Main function open, main function close. This is one scope one. Try to understand. Okay, whatever you are writing in this scope, this will not work outside. Okay, next one, you can see index in x equal to 10. X equal to 10 belongs to this main function. Next here, if condition is started, if condition here open, if condition is open, where it is closed, where it is closed here, where it is open, this is the scope 2. Scope 2 values will not work in where scope 1. You can check it out. The given here, the start new scope. Okay, in if condition, in if condition, is it that is that executed? Yes, that is executed because above x equal to what? 10. 10 equals 10 condition true. When condition true, these all the lines will be executed. So what you have here, see, into y equals to 20. What they written? Known only to this block. If you want to execute y value outside of this block here, what is the y value here? Question mark. Okay, the value of this particular scope, the value will be executed only this particular scope. Out of it will not execute it. Okay, into y equals to 20. X and y both known here. Okay, system dot out dot println x and y, x equal to what here? Outer. Outer means this is a global. For this scope, this is the global. Global scope is nothing but students. Global scope is nothing but global values you can access inside, but inside values you cannot access outside. Try to understand. In this particular example, this is the global values for this function, this particular if. Okay, what are the local values? So this is the local scope. So this y equal to 20 you can use it within this open braces and closing braces. Are you getting? So now see, um, so simply what is the output for this program? What is the output you are getting? Just imagine. Okay, this line is executed, no problem. This is okay, y equals 20. So system dot out dot println x and y. X and y means what? X and y is what? What is x value? 10. What's the y value? What's the y value? 20. 10, 20. After that, what they done? X equal to y into 2. What's the y value? What's the y value?
20 into 2, 40.
Y is nothing but 20. 20 into 2, 40. X
40.
becomes what? 40. Okay. So now see, after this scope is ended. The scope is ended means in this
This
which value
condition.
used y. So y you cannot use outside now.
Mm.
If we use outside here, what is that? Error. Y not known here. Okay. X is still known here. Why? Because this is a global. This is what? Global. So system dot out dot println x is plus x. Plus x is small means what's 10 or 10 or what is that? Y 20 into 40. What is the answer you are getting? C.